Welcome to Rare ANZ, and today we dive deep into the all-new 2026 GMC Savana 3500 camper van. A true blend of raw power, comfort, and modern safety that's built for the ultimate adventure lifestyle. From the very first look, the exterior design speaks pure dominance. The wide stance, bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights make the Savana 3500 look aggressive yet premium. Its aerodynamic edges are a major upgrade from its older boxy design, giving it a sleeker, road-commanding appearance. The large side windows and extended frame highlight its camper van DNA, making it clear that this machine is crafted not just for city roads, but long open highways and rugged journeys. The alloy wheels, chrome accents, and raised ground clearance further enhance its powerful road presence. Step inside the cockpit, and you're welcomed with a driver-focused design. The leather-wrapped steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and upgraded infotainment system with touchscreen display bring both comfort and control right to your fingertips. GMC has also added smart connectivity features, making navigation and entertainment seamless. The driving position feels commanding, and the cabin insulation keeps outside noise away for a smooth ride. Even small details like adjustable seats and extra storage spaces show how practical this van really is. Moving to the rear interior, this is where the Savana 3500 transforms into a true camper's dream. The spacious setup includes plush chairs, a sofa-style seating arrangement, and a neatly integrated LCD TV that folds out for entertainment on the go. Multiple USB ports and wireless charging spots make it tech-friendly, while the subtle ambient lighting creates a homely vibe. The flexible space allows you to relax, dine, or work in comfort, turning long trips into luxury experiences. And with clever storage compartments, mini fridge options, and foldable layouts, it easily adapts to every type of journey. Now let's look under the hood. Powering the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 is a robust V8 engine that balances raw strength with efficiency. It delivers solid horsepower and torque, giving you confidence whether you're climbing hills or cruising highways. GMC has also worked on fuel optimization, making it more practical for long-distance adventures. On the safety side, the van is equipped with advanced driver assist systems like blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and multiple airbags, ensuring maximum protection for every passenger. Strong brakes and stability control further add confidence behind the wheel. And finally, the price. Starting around the mid-$50,000 range, the Savana 3500 offers strong value considering its power, tech, and safety features. Its performance, versatility, and modern upgrades make it a serious contender in the camper van world. For families, road trippers, and adventure seekers, it delivers both convenience and peace of mind. Verdict: the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 camper van is not just transportation. It's a powerful lifestyle machine that blends toughness with comfort and safety, giving you everything you need for the road ahead.